In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate ages in Google Sheets. This is a really handy skill to have, especially if you're working with large data sets that involve birth dates. Let's get started by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already got one open, just head over to Google Sheets in your browser and create a new sheet. Once you've got your sheet open and ready, go ahead and select a cell where you'd like to work with. You can do this by simply clicking on a cell. For the purposes of this demonstration, let's settle on cell B1. This is where we'll enter our birth date. Birth dates can be input in a variety of formats, but it's generally best to stick with the year, month, day format to keep everything consistent. So in cell B1, type in your birth date in this format and then hit the Enter key. This will lock in the date you've just input. Next, to ensure our age calculation is based on the most current date, we'll need to enter another formula in cell B2. This formula will display today's date, updating automatically each day. Click cell B2 and type in the formula sex today. After doing this, press Enter, and you will see today's date appear in that cell. This dynamic date is crucial for calculating the age accurately as time goes on. Now that we have our birth date and today's date in place, let's do the actual age calculation. This will take place in cell B4. Click on cell B4 and enter the following formula. ECINT, year frac B1, today. What this formula does is calculate the fraction of years between the birth date entered in B1 and today's date. The year frac function gives you the decimal number of years between these two dates. The INT function then rounds this down to the nearest whole number, which gives you the age. Finally, hit the Enter key again, and voila! You should now see the age calculated based on the birth date you entered in B1. With these formulas in place, the age will update automatically each year, so it's a one-time setup and a lifelong solution. Take a moment to review your sheet. If your birth date or today's date changes, you can simply update those cells. And that's it. You've learned how to calculate ages in Google Sheets in a way that stays up to date with each passing day. This method is efficient, precise, and perfect for managing and analyzing datasets that involve age calculations. Thanks for joining me today, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.